Madison. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the Have Your Cake and Makeup 2 7-piece beauty kit by Ulta, and this was on clearance. So we're going to be using this, and then we're going to be like doing a makeup look with it. So yeah. So we got it for $17. So yeah, let's get started. So let me show you what's inside. They include a highlighter, a eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, or like a liquid lipstick, a cream blush, a gel liner, a setting spray, and a lip scrub. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Mirrored Base by Revlon. So that my face looks like an angel, you're going to get the Benefit Hello Happy Soft and Blur Foundation in number 4, if you're me. Okay. Oh jeez. So you're going to get your beauty sponge. And you're just going to put this all over your face so you have an even layer of foundation. And see, when I started school, I have dark circles. Because they wear me out too much. So my first week of school went okay. I got my schedule changed to athletics because your girl is very athletic. Okay, close that, and then you're gonna put your concealer. Eyebrows first. So I'm gonna be using an eyebrow pencil now. No pomade for Madison. Well, okay. So now that your eyebrows don't look that good, but you're still gonna deal with it and put a smile on your face, you're gonna get your Pretty Vulgar concealer and put that there. Then you're going in with your Tarte Shape Tape. That's really white. And you're gonna do a little bit. Okay. Now you're gonna blend this out. Okay, now you're gonna get your powder. This is the Patrick Star MAC powder. Now we're gonna open our little kit up. Eyeshadow palette in your 6 colors. Okay, so I'm gonna get the color Chocolate Chips. Oh, and it smells like chocolates. I wonder if it tastes like it. I don't know. And they're like really pigmented. And they're really blendable. It looks like I just got beat up. I probably will do liner because it'll look better. Okay, now you're gonna get a clean brush and you're gonna get Caramel Truffle. Why are these names like food? ear itches. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. You're kind of powdery though, so. Okay, so that's it for the eyes, and now I'm gonna get a piece of tape and do the eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm gonna get the eyeliner, and I'm gonna have to be very concentrated towards this part, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend all the powder out, dust it away. Okay, so now it's time for cream blush. Next is highlighter. Here's what it looks like. So it smells kind of weird. Like, it's like more glittery than like a natural highlighter. It's like metallic, but like it's fine. Like, it's not the best. I think it's like just glitter. And then next is lips. So now I'm using a tinted juice infused lip oil from Ulta. I really like the color and it smells like oranges. And it's like a gloss almost. And now for mascara, I'm using this Thrive Cosmetics. So yeah. Now for setting spray, here's what it looks like. It's a small bottle. I look sweaty now. So overall, would I buy this kit again? Honestly, I don't know, because there's some good things in there and there are some things that were okay. Like, I really like these products, but I didn't really care for the highlighter. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!